Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Binance account. First, navigate to the official Binance website or download their mobile application. Look for the Register button and select your preferred registration method, either email or phone number. Enter your details, create a secure password, and ensure you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. This initial step is quick and straightforward. After initial registration, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC, to unlock full account features. This involves providing a valid government-issued identification document and a clear selfie. Make sure all submitted documents are legible and accurately reflect your personal information. Binance will then review your submission, and approval typically takes a short period. This step is crucial for security. Once your account is verified, prioritize enhancing its security. Immediately enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using either Google Authenticator or SMS verification. Additionally, set up an anti-phishing code. This helps you identify legitimate emails from Binance. For managing your login details, consider using a reputable password manager. These measures significantly protect your assets and personal data. With your secure account ready, you can now deposit funds. Binance supports various payment methods, including bank transfers and credit or debit card options, depending on your region. Once funded, navigate to the trading interface to place your first order. It's often wise to start with smaller trades to become comfortable with the platform's features and market dynamics. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.